Hey everybody, in this video we got a Dexter doorknob, and see if we can pig it here. I don't have a key for it. Just came off of a house. It was the only Schlage keyway. The rest of the house was quick set, so this got swapped out. And I don't know if these have security pins in them or not. I don't know if I've ever actually got a Dexter before. Picked really easy. I'll go ahead and see if we can gut it here. I actually picked it locked. It doesn't need to be turned, but it needs to be unlocked to be able to, the cylinder doesn't need to be turned to get it apart, but it does have to be unlocked because you got to turn it to find the retainer clip. Which is right there. Alright, it'll come off the chassis. And when I locked it back there, it actually locked itself here. No big deal. I'm just looking for a Schlage key link here. We'll just shim it open real quick. Here we go. So 9 on the front and a lot of shorter pins after that. And I did this backwards here, so we'll gut it from number 5 first. Okay, so this thing is master keyed. So no wonder it picked open so easily. Alright, so no wonder it picked so easy. Didn't expect that, but this was a rental property though. So all the other locks in the house had been replaced except this one from what it looked like. So I guess this may have been master keyed from either that or who the hell knows, I don't know. You know, pretty nice house that this came off of. But anyway, nothing special about the pins. There definitely wasn't any security pins in it. Don't know if they're stock, they come with security pins or not, and they were taken out for the Master King, or if they just don't come with it. Not sure on Dexter, but anyway, questions, comments, leave them in the comments, and we'll talk to everybody later.